Welcome back everyone. You might be in a situation where your Xbox mic is not working. Now don't fret, it's not a reason to freak out, alright? Because there are a couple ways to fix it. If these don't ways to fix it, then obviously you can freak out. But the first thing you want to do, and this is probably apparent and you might have already done it, but you want to go ahead and reboot your console. So on your Xbox One, One S, or One X, you want to go ahead and restart that console. And if you go ahead and do that, the controller will turn off obviously, and you want to give it like 5 to 10 seconds and you want to reboot it back together. So you can hold down the controller and go from there, or you can turn on manually, doesn't matter, from the power button. And then from there you want to check if your controller is fixed. If it's not fixed, then you can go into the next portion. If it is fixed, then that's awesome, then you can just go ahead and move on with your life. Now if that doesn't fix it, what you will probably have to do is update the controller. So what this means is there's a couple of different ways to do it, and I might try to leave a link in the description for Microsoft's website on exactly how to do it. But in order for you to update the controller, what you want to do is you want to go into your, first of all, on your controller, you want to connect the stereo adapter into the controller exactly wherever you need to go in order for the headset to work. And now at this point, you want to go onto your Xbox, you want to press the Xbox button, then you want to click the question mark to open the guide. And then from there, you want to choose system and then settings. And once you're on the settings panel, what you want to do is you want to click devices and streaming, and then you want to click accessories. So once you're there, you'll see a couple different options. You want to select the controller that you have already connected. So if you have more than one, you'll see them all connected, but usually you'll probably only see one in this case. So once you have that, you want to select that. You want to select device info, then this firmware version, and then you want to click continue. And then at that point, it'll go ahead and give you an option to go ahead and update it, and it'll go ahead and show you all those different things, and it'll go ahead and show you all those different software updates that you're able to get and everything. And it should only take a couple seconds. It probably won't take that long. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and see if your controller and headset are working. Now, if they are working, then you're set. If they're not working, this could mean that there might be a problem with your controller itself. So what you'll probably have to do is try a different controller. So if you have more than one, I would highly recommend you to go and try a different controller, connect it to your Xbox, and seeing if you're able to talk and call people and chat with people that way, if you're able to hear them, if they're able to hear you. If that is the case, then that probably means you had a faulty controller. If that still doesn't fix it, then this might mean that the headset that you have probably is not working correctly. So I'd recommend you to go buy a different one, return this one, and go from there. But those are really the main ways to go about doing this. If you need a new one, I will leave a link to one of the cheapest ones that I find on Amazon, so you can get them from there and help support the channel at the same time. I'll go ahead and leave an Xbox controller down there too in case all these methods don't work. But that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.